Gastric ulcers, or stomach ulcers, develop in the lining of the stomach. They are very common, affecting between 2.4 to 6.1% of the population. Various factors that disrupt the balance of your stomach's environment can cause them. The most common is an infection caused by the Helicobacter pylori bacteria. Here we have scientifically backed natural ulcer remedies. Cabbage juice. Cabbage is a popular natural ulcer remedy. Doctors reportedly used it decades before antibiotics were available to help heal stomach ulcers. In humans, early studies observed that daily consumption of fresh cabbage juice appeared to help heal stomach ulcers more effectively than the conventional treatment used at the time. In a study, the same quantity of fresh cabbage juice was given to 100 participants with stomach ulcers, most of whom had previously received conventional treatment with no success. 81% were symptom-free within a week. Garlic. Garlic is another food with antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. What's more, lab, animal, and human studies all report that garlic extracts may help prevent H. pylori growth, one of the most common causes of ulcers. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that may help prevent ulcers and heal them quicker. Turmeric. Turmeric is a South Asian spice used in many Indian dishes. It's easily recognizable by its rich yellow color. What's more, curcumin's anti-ulcer potential has recently been studied in animals. It appears to have immense therapeutic potential, especially in preventing damage caused by H. pylori infections. It may also help increase mucus secretion, effectively protecting the stomach's lining against irritants. One study gave 25 participants 600 milligrams of turmeric 5 times per day. 4 weeks later, ulcers had healed in 48% of participants. After 12 weeks, 76% of participants were ulcer-free. Licorice. Licorice is a spice native to Asia and the Mediterranean region. Some studies report that licorice root may have ulcer-preventing and ulcer-fighting properties. Researchers further report that certain compounds found in licorice may prevent the growth of H. pylori. However, studies are generally based on the use of these compounds in supplement form. For instance, licorice may stimulate the stomach and intestines to produce more mucus, which helps protect the stomach lining. The extra mucus may also help speed up the healing process and help reduce ulcer-related pain.